So in this video, we'll be showing you how to create an event. So to start off, you're going to need to go to the event site. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can go up here to where it says site and click on it. My list of sites is probably going to look a little bit different than yours, but what you want to do is click on this events site right here. The other way that you can get to that site is if you go down to my sites, it may already say events down here, which you can then click on. But if it doesn't, just go up here and click on the event site from the drop down. So once you're in the event site, you can just go up to add content, and then from here select the event content type. Here you will want to make sure that your placement folder is correct. Sometimes it defaults to the correct folder, but in this instance I'm going to need to go in and select the correct month. So I can see that we're already on the correct year, which is 2025. I'm going to want to hover this and then go to the arrow on the right. From here, I will want to click on 12 if my event is going to be in December. And then select choose, and there we have it. Next, you're going to want to set the title of your event. So for this, I'm just going to write example test event. And then you will want to provide a brief description of your event. Now, there's other options that you can add to your event that are not required, such as additional details and images. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to select both of them. You can mark an event as being an all-day event if you would like, but it is not necessary. If you're not going to mark it as an all-day event, you will need to provide a start date and time. So for this event, I'm going to put it in the future on December 9th, and I will set the time to be 9 a.m. Whoops. 9. There we go. Okay, and then for the end date and time, you can do whatever you want as long as it is after the start date and time that you provided. I'm going to just make it 1 hour in the future. It is saying this field is required, but I believe you can just ignore this since we have specified it right here. For the 25 live room confirmation number, if you don't have a confirmation number or you don't even know what this is, just go ahead and enter not applicable. Next, for the content of your event, this is what's going to show up on the main page. And it's just basically to give users more context, more information about the event that you are creating. So I will just put in some placeholder content here. Now you can select if you want this to be a featured event or not. I'm going to leave it at no for the default. And then there's multiple types that you can select for the event, and this basically just helps users go through and filter for the event type. So I'm going to put employee workshops and club events. You can select multiple types. It's up to you. Just make sure that they're accurate. For the image, please just be cognizant that when you are selecting an image, there are recommended sizes listed for both the thumbnail and the banner image. Please try to stay as close to these as possible. For the alternative text for both of these images, please provide something that is accurate. Alternative text is important for the accessibility of your event. It makes it so users who are using technology such as screen readers, who may have trouble seeing, are able to get that full context and understand what the images are representing. For additional details, there is an icon option, so you can just select an icon. In this example, I'm going to select map marker. Then you can say that I wanted to provide the address for the event that I am creating. You can just go here and put either literally type out the address of the event, or you can just do like event address. And then for the link, what you could do is you could go to like Google Maps or whatever your preferred map provider is, and then just grab a link to the address and then put it right in here so that users are then able to click this text and it will take them to that map location of the event. Then for contact details, just put whoever's going to be the main contact for the event. I'm just going to put my own name right here. This is where you would put their phone number, and then the email of that person. So you shouldn't really have to worry about touching any of this unless you like absolutely want to and you know what you're doing, but for the sake of just getting an event out there, it's usually not stuff that you have to touch. You can go ahead and, as always, make sure to preview your draft before you post it. So this is what mine looks like after making all of the changes that I showed you. Here's related events that are populated based off some of the things that I selected for the type of event and whatnot. You can see over here are the details. Here's the contact information, social media icons, and whatnot. If everything looks good, you can go ahead and submit. Looks like we have an issue. Oh, it's just because I didn't select an image despite marking it up here. So I'm just going to unselect this, go through, preview my draft again. Everything still looks good. Click on submit. And there you have it. When you're ready for this event to go live, you can just go ahead and publish it, same way that you would publish anything. And that's about all there is to it. Thanks.